How to remove song from Instagram post after posting. So, go to Instagram application and then just tap on your profile. Here in profile, select that video. So, you can see that I have a song on this video. So, basically Instagram has not released any feature to remove song from any existing post. So, what we will do now? Just tap on the three dots and here you can see there's an option for archive. Just tap on it. So you can see that your post is no more available here. And now just tap on create icon and post that video or photo again without music. So that's the simple way to do it. So subscribe to this channel for more how to videos like this.